Welcome back to my channel. It's about Remember Franklin here, back with a new video today. Today I'm going over 4 trending products to sell right now, guys. So if you want to see these products, so stay tuned to the end of the video, guys, and let's get into this video right away, guys. So let's go. These are the four products, guys, you can sell right in 2019, guys. So these are products that kicking off will go crazy, guys. So yeah, I'm showing you these products right now, so you can like up on the trend before it blows up, guys. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is the first product, guys. So let's look at it, guys. So AliExpress, this is the product right down here. UV nail lamp, that's the name. So as you can see, I got like a lot of model already. This one got like different types, guys. This is like a bundle, guys. So the bundle, and then there's some other stuff I don't know, like a nail tick or anything stuff. Also, guys, if you watch my other video, you see the extensions in it. I'll show you how to use it, guys. So as you can see, this supplier got like a nice good seller rating, guys, and also we can see how many order this product got to. Let's look at this product, this location selling. So this product got 52 orders, 24 orders today. Got 52 yesterday. Product is doing good in Russia. Right, these Russian country and France, and those other countries always do good with this type of products, guys. That's one of the thing that press is not revealing to you guys. It's not always United States products sell in, guys. You got to try different country, guys. United States is just like ads is too way expensive there, so you gotta try different country, guys. Not always United States. That's what person is not telling you. So don't run go to United States straight ahead, guys. So you gotta find different country to like market your product. Always States, guys. That's one main thing before you like run. So all of your ads in the United States. It's continent. That's product, guys. So yeah, I'm quickly running over this product, guys. I'm not gonna make a long video, make a short video. Product 2 is like a backpack, or it's a backpack, like a water, like do cycling, hiking, and stuff. Of this wall. This is it, guys. I have, as you can see, it's loaded up. This surprise not good, as you can see right here, guys. So you can find this product different place. I'm just going over a quick run over so you know what the products look, so you can like do your part of the research and find like a better supplier to get this product from, guys, if you're going to sell it. I don't know if you're going to sell it, but if you're going to test this product, guys. So yeah, so this is the product, guys. It's a bag that they put like a water bag into with a tube thingy that come out of like on the side and like strap onto the handle of the bag, guys. So that's the product. So yeah, that's product 2, guys. I'm not really spending a long while on this product. You can go over the product by yourself and look at various stuff and like where it's selling and all those stuff, guys. Product 2. Mom will buy this product. Let's search for this product. Boom. Let's see. This is the product, guys. So what? Wrong product. As you can see right here, this is a product right here, guys. It's for like baby. Mom normally buy this product, guys. As you can see, the supplier is a good supplier, guys, but the product is not like starting selling a lot as yet because the trend does begun for this product, guys. So you can up on this product before like the trend start to blow up for this product, so you can do your research on the keywords or the name that I have in this folder right over in the docs right over here. I'll make a PDF and link it down below so you can get the product names, but I'm just making sure that you got an idea how the products look, guys. So yeah, that's it for this product. That's a look for it, but it's not getting like a lot of order as yet, guys. If you check about this product like in next month or so, this product will like have a lot of order. Or sometimes persons not using directly from this product page to order, they're using like a VIP link, so you won't find your winner that easily. So the next product is the portable coffee machine or coffee maker. So this product should be on the front page. Express. As you can see, this is a product right here. You guys should know this product because this product was like really hot in last year. It's like trending up now in this year again. So you also can go over this product, but this supper is like really not good. But he's getting some order, but it's not good. Like look at his ratings, you see, but his ratings take time going up, but it's not good as yet. He just open. Let's see how long it's been open for. For so long, his rating is not that good. 5 years ago he's open and his rating is still not that good. So Zebra is not good, but this product got like a lot of likes right here, as you can see, guys. So that's next product, and I have a bonus product for you guys. So we'll stay to the end of the video. We'll like see this bonus product that I got. I'm going to show you something, guys. You guys should know this. Remember when Apple launched AirPods? This product launched after, guys. So yeah, like do something like Apple got AirPods and like they do one for like this also work on an Apple device. But yeah, look, I mean, order this product has got, and it started like a month back, guys. And like, look, this product is really hot and it's still hot right up to today. So boom, supply rating is good. All those stuff is good. And like, let's look at order this product got today. Today, this product got 550 order, guys. Sorry for the delay. 550 orders this product got, and Russia, Spain, all those countries is getting like a lot of orders from this product. Dropshippers is like ordering this product and shipping to this type of country, guys. So you know the country that the product is selling in really well, guys. So you won't run and do like United States. So like look, like look how many order. You also can use it down here if you want. This tool is like more accurate. These guys. Look at the review as well. I'm also gonna buy one of these products for myself, guys. So this is for the video, guys, and also you can look over here, you can see other products trending product as well, like this one as well. You can see all those information, like look how many order this one also got. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you like this video and like this volume that I'm dropping for you guys on a daily basis, sorry, not a daily basis, sometime I don't upload at all, but I'm gonna start upload now, guys. I'm gonna be consistent now, guys. So please subscribe because I'm gonna drop value each time. Next video I'm gonna do is about extension that you need to be successful at drop shipping, guys. So that's it. I'm out.